weBoost has released a brand new cellular booster kit designed just for RVs. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and weBoost has come out with a brand new RV kit based upon their old 4GX booster. So this new kit replaces their existing RV kit, which came with a shorter little white antenna that went on the top of your RV, and they've replaced it with our top pick OTR antenna, but in a much more RV suitable form factor. So the original OTR antenna that came with the OTR kit has a much longer stalk, which made it much more difficult to mount on RVs. You pretty much had to have some sort of retracting mechanism, or just be good with that. It might hit low-hanging branches because it's mighty tall. Now this new one, it can be 9.5 inches tall with the way that they have shortened the stalk, and they are including an additional stalk if you do want the height on there. You can still get the height, because sometimes height does help you get above the clutter of things around on your RV's roof or other things around, and that can help with your signal. Now, just like the RV kit, it still has the same interior desk mount antenna. It's not our favorite antenna for interior, but it does the job pretty well. In all of our testing with weBoost's kit over the past several years, the OTR antenna is our top pick. It is the one that we have recommended for RVers based upon extensive testing. We get the best performance out of this antenna, so we're really excited that this form factor has come out. But, there's always a but, this new kit is based on the 4GX. Well, actually, it's now the Drive X. They've rebranded it from the 4GX to just the X, presumably because with 5G on the horizon, I'm assuming a lot of people are afraid to invest in 4G technology anymore, even though for us RVers and cruisers, 4G is going to be a staple and core of our connectivity for many years to come. So investing in 4G technology right now as an RV or cruiser is not a concern, even with 5G on the horizon. So the Drive X is based on the 4GX, which came out in 2015. It is a tried and true solid booster. It has continued to be our top pick for many years. We have tested it against all of the competitors that have come on the scene in that time frame. So there's nothing wrong with this booster, except for in May, weBoost launched the Drive Reach, which has more uplink power than the 4GX does, which means that you're going to be able to reach a tower from further away, and you're going to get better upload performance with the Reach, at least on paper. So it's kind of odd that just a couple months later, weBoost is releasing a brand new kit just for RVs based upon basically last year's model of amplifier. And we asked them why were they doing that, and they told us that they are working on a specific RV antenna to go along with the Reach, and that's not going to be available for a while, and they did feel that they needed to come out with an OTR kit for RV use. So kind of leaves RVers in a weird limbo land when choosing a booster right now. It means you either need to, if you want to go with a kitted solution, and this is $4.99 for the entire kit with all of the parts and accessories, to go with the 4GX, which is tried and true, but the Reach may prove to be a better solution. But right now, the Reach is only available with the little 4-inch stubby antenna for the same price at $4.99, same as this kit. And if you wanted to upgrade to the OTR antenna, which does work with it, you have to buy that antenna a la carte. So that's an additional expense. And this new form factor with the shorter stalk, weBoost is not selling a la carte. You would be stuck with the taller version of it. So it's really hard to recommend to go out and get this kit. If you are in the market for a booster right now, it is a solid performer. You can't go wrong with it. But if you can hold off on a booster purchase, it might be worthwhile until there is an RV kit with the new Reach. And we do have the 4GX, the Reach, the solid RF, and the Selfie in active intensive testing this summer, and our members can follow along with our testing results, and we'll see, does the Reach really outperform the 4GX enough to merit waiting? So that's what's up with weBoost right now, and it's a new option. weBoost does give our viewers a 5% discount, which you can find in the discount code in the description. If you do want to buy a weBoost booster, save a little money is always a good thing. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself. I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and I need to go change my shirt.